I want you guys live to hear what I'm about to say. This morning, I announced PHIO out of nowhere, by the way. It had no volume. It was dying. Nothing was happening. I told everybody in this room when it breaks what exact price to hammer it. Anybody?
$2.80, coach.
$2.80. What's it at?
718.
718. The call out this morning in the VIP was above 280. Look at it continue to climb, my friend.
And there's nothing better than this.
Don't let your boss find out. Next thing you know, you'll be making more than him. Yep, PHIO new high a day. It's almost $9 now. And we called it, now it just broke $9, and we called it at the break of $2.80. It's now at $9, 440% to the upside. Now, if you guys remember in the VIP, I said, listen, if you go in with 100 shares, which would have been $280, I said your risk is so low, but you could leave it and let it go forever, right?